Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. So in this video, I'm going to bring you a new video on Singleton Design Pattern. So in the previous videos on the whiteboard recording videos, we'll see how overview or the skeleton how we need to create the Singleton Design Pattern. So in these there are two basically pattern: eager instantiation and lazy instantiation. So to start with, see eager instantiation. So it is like eager. We'll see how we can create. Basically, I just created the class and I will create a static class now. Static class Singleton demo. Okay, is my study class. Over there I create a step one, that is a private instance. No, now this is private static volatile Singleton demo instance equal to name Singleton demo. We are eagerly instantiated, and note that for that purpose we have created a static volatile. Means it is static and also it is volatile. So for thread safety we had kept it as volatile. That is no, that's an important. So volatile, why you have kept? So the important purpose is that volatile is that if the volatile is something for thread safety, and like if some thread it allows multiple thread to watch each other's value, so it can be readable for multiple threads. So for that we have encrypted as volatile, and it can directly be accessed from main memory. That is the purpose of volatile. And we will create a private constructor after that. Public static Singleton demo get instance. Here the point is that we can keep either the method as synchronized, we keep it as synchronized block. So first I will show by synchronize method. Okay. Get instance method. So yeah, we'll check in both. We'll try to create two objects of that, and we'll also try the equals method. So both should return the same value for the hash code, and both should be equal. So we'll try by printing the object. Now check the equality of two. We'll check those hash code should return the same value, and also two objects are equal. Then we'll print something. If object one dot equals object two, Singleton design pattern followed. Both objects equal. Note here we have created using the static synchronize, and you just created the instance. Then we are instantiated it, and then after that we have created a private constructor and just give a call to the get instance. It will return the instance, and after that we'll run the. Now we'll try to run the program. Yeah, see. So check two. I will run it. See, both the objects have the same hash code, means they are the same objects, and they also follow the follow the equals principle. Means both the objects are equal. Means our singleton design pattern is basically followed, and we have note over here we have created using the synchronized block. Momentarily, we can just comment this out, and this public static will create a singleton demo get instance. We create synchronize. Now we are create a synchronized block over here. Because first step we have created the synchronized method. And we will just returning the instance. Now it's returning different value for the hash code. Was it happening? Because over here we are getting a different instance. Yeah. So if we try to, if we create a follow the synchronous block in this matter we can create. So if we can have some checker code like if instance equal to null in this. We can create some code over here like return instance, and then basically it will return the instance. And so these are like two ways you can create either by synchronized block, or you can create by using the synchronized method. So to eager instantiation, we can create in this manner. We can create using synchronized block or synchronized method. These are the two ways. And as the hash codes are same, and it will written the same. So we are getting the Singleton design pattern is followed in the eager instantiation demo, and we'll keep this code as comment out this code, and keep this code. Okay, see, it will retain the same instance. Both objects are retaining the hash codes are equal, and they are equals. So basically singleton design pattern are follow. So, and we also both by using synchronous block as well as synchronous method, how this can be done. So this is eager instantiation demo. Now we'll see about lazy instantiation demo. We'll just create one more. So as like the steps, we'll first create a lazily instantiate. So it will only create the object only when needed, not like at the time of declaration. So we'll see how that can be done. So first step one, we'll create a static class, lazy instance demo. Okay. And we'll follow the same method. Private of instance, private, static, volatile, okay. Declare the instance. So note here, we are not invoke the new also, it's not directly instantiated. After that we'll create a private constructor. Step 2, private constructor. We'll just remove this. This also will first see by the using synchronize method. Public static synchronize lazy instance demo. If instance null, return instance. Okay. First, we have checked we have created a synchronized block, we have created an instance, we have created a constructor, we have created a synchronized method, and we have checked if the instance is null. It will create the equal to null. It will create the new instance, and it will return the instance. Again, we will follow the same method. We'll try to create two objects of it, and we will see that if they return the same value or not. For instance, lazy instance demo. For instance, we'll print the hash code of lazy. Lazy instance 1 dot equals lazy instance 2. Singleton pattern followed by lazy instantiation approach. Okay. So I think we are good to go. We have created a static class, we have created a private instance, we are lazily instantiated it, we have created a private constructor, we have created a get instance method. Check if point number 3, null check is important. This is a very important point, null check. And if it's null, it will instantiate lazily, and we'll see that it works correctly or not. So run as Java application. Yeah, correct. So it is, you can see over here. And correctly seen, I mean, like once again, the Java application. Hash code of object one is instance, correct? Hash code of, see, both of the hash codes are same, means object one and object two. So basically, it means that singleton design pattern is followed. No, the both they are just the references referring to the same object. No new instance has been created. Your singleton design pattern is exactly followed, and we were created using the synchronized block, and that is exactly done. So similar way we can do it using the synchronized method over here. Same lazy instance demo. Okay, and I can do the runners. See, I can follow. So synchronize method, synchronize block. So in this video we have seen how that can be done. So using the eager instantiation synchronized method and using synchronized block, how can singleton design pattern be implemented using lazy instantiation by following the synchronized block and synchronized method, how the lazy instantiation singleton design pattern can be implemented. And so basically we are saying in both ways how the singleton design pattern can be implemented. We have checked that by checking by printing the objects hash code, both objects are same, and how we can easily implement it. So this video was all about the implementation of singleton design pattern. In the like link in which I will upload the code, I will keep both the synchronized block and synchronized method once I will comment it, so that both of them will be for reference for you. So do keep liking, subscribing to #TechieMit. More to come on Java design pattern and related videos. Stay tuned and bye for now.